What did the bubble say to the needle? I get your point. Today we're painting with bubbles. We're gonna make wrapping paper using bubbles. These are just plain bubbles, but we're going to add color to them. We're gonna use food coloring. Add this to the bubbles. 10 drops. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just make purple. Red and blue make purple. What do we mix for orange? Green, red and yellow. Be careful not to get it on. I got it on my skin. The bubbles are done. The bubbles land on the paper and will be colorful and beautiful. Make sure your wrapping paper is thick. Now we're gonna pop them outside like this. Ooh, bitch! Lay your paper flat! Start bubble blasting. Now that is a lot. The wrapping paper is all done and I'm ready to go to the birthday party. Put me in my house. Thank you for watching. If you like my channel, come to it and you and me will have lots of fun. I'm gonna say Milo! No. I'm gonna use bubble blasters and my brother's gonna help. And that one is mine. We're using bubbles to paint. What? 2